it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to our 31 days of Halloween. Today I have for you these brownie ghost pops, ghost brownie pops, however you want to say it. They're brownie pops and they look like little ghosties. Some of them look a little less like ghosts and more like something you would see out of a horror movie, but that's just my artistic skill, which is very low. Anyway, let's just get started on making these brownie pops. So we're going to start with brownies, and I really like using brownies for this kind of thing instead of cake because brownies are already fudgy and I don't need to add any frosting or anything else to it, and also brownies are delicious. So all I do is take, what are you called? An ice cream scoop. This one is a 2 tablespoon ice cream scoop. Take a scoop of brownie and make sure that this is pretty much filled up completely. And I'm just gonna put it on my cutting board for now. We're going to roll those into balls that look a little bit more perfect, but for now we're just measuring everything out basically. And it's best to do this when your brownies are still pretty warm. Let them cool down enough to where you can handle them, but not completely cold. And the edges don't always work best for these things, but they always work to snack on, so you could always eat the edges like I do. So I'm only going to make 13, but obviously you can make more than that. I'm just going to put the rest of this aside because my mother-in-law has been eyeing these brownies and I want to give her some before I cover them in white chocolate because she hates white chocolate. But before I start covering them, we are going to just mold these a little bit better and roll them into perfect little balls. It's like making meatballs, but they're not meat. They're cake. Brownies, not cake. Brownies, which are 100 times better than cake. Don't come at me. It's 100 times better than cake. So there are chocolate chips in these brownies. That's why I have a lot of melted chocolate on my hands and this does not look pretty because all the chocolate chips are melting. Alright guys, we're back and all the balls are made now, and I've melted this white chocolate candy melts and they are from Ghirardelli. They're melting wafers. You can make candy out of them or just dip other things in them. And I followed the microwave instructions because I didn't feel like standing over a hot stove. I also have these treat sticks here that I'm going to be using to stick my brownie pops onto. And I also got these from Michael's. I don't remember how much they cost though. Sorry. So first one I'm going to try is sticking the stick into the chocolate first. And then I'm going to stick it into the top of our brownie pop. And this is why I made 13, because some of these don't want to stick together. So when you make your own, don't put chocolate chips in them. Don't do what I do exactly, you know, make it better, be better. Alright, I also have this pan here with parchment paper on it. You guys are so close that you guys can't see it, but I have a pan here with parchment paper on it that I prepped so that I can set my, brownie pops on it when they're ready. Alright guys, so here are our brownie pops. They are dry now, so they're good to lift up and move around and adjust to however you see fit. And you can always coat these twice, but I ran out of chocolate. But if you were to coat it twice, it would look a lot prettier and more white and so opaque. But this is fine too. I don't see a problem with it. Plus, I don't like the flavor of white chocolate, so I'm just hoping that the brownies will overpower that flavor as much as possible. And I have some royal icing right here that I made black by adding cocoa powder and a little bit of black food dye. And I'm just going to tilt this upwards and zoom you guys in so that hopefully you can see more of what I'm doing. So I'm just going to tilt this upwards and take some, doesn't know where to focus. Put it over? No, it doesn't help. And I'm taking some black royal icing and I'm going to draw the face with this. I'm actually just going to hold it upside down to give me a better angle. ghost faces are so easy anyway, so even if you do it upside down, you should be able to do a well enough job to make it look like a ghost. And there's a little ghost face. Alright guys, that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys try out these brownie pops for yourself. They were really good. I really enjoyed them, even though I'm not the biggest fan of white chocolate. If you liked it, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you can keep up with all the Halloween videos coming up this month. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.